welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen I'll be showing you how I make this delicious carrot rice. To get started, I have some long grain basmati rice. I'll be using some carrots. I have two textures. I grate it with the fine side of the grater and the large side of the grater. Here I have some coconut milk. I'll be using the seasoning, garlic and onion powder, bouillon, some creole seasoning, complete seasoning, black pepper, ginger, garlic and onions. So to a preheated pot, I will add my aromatics, give it a good mix and allow it to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I'll go in with my carrots, give that a good stir and allow it to go for about a minute or so. Next, we'll add our washed rice. Make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it. We'll also add our seasoning to add some flavor and taste. We'll mix the combine and allow it to go for about 2 minutes or so. So at this point, we'll add some liquid. We'll go in with some water as well as our coconut milk. Give that a good stir. Then we'll add some butter in there. Cover and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, the rice is now done. What I like to do is place the lid back on, remove it from the heat, and let it sit for about 10 minutes before I fluff it up. Once you get a fork and fluff that rice up, it's pure perfection. It is super simple and easy, but it's amazingly delicious. I can't wait for you all to try this. And here you have it. Quick and easy carrot rice. It's absolutely delicious and it goes with any entree. I did serve it up with some green beans and some pineapple glazed pork chop. It was absolutely divine and I can't wait for you all to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support and as always, mwah, enjoy!